So, another exciting package has just turned up. I won another giveaway, and I won this giveaway from Vettsy. Go check out her channel. She has me in stitches. And I know there is one thing in this box that I really want. I can't wait to see it. And I've took the envelope off because it was covered in sellotape, and even the dog was pulling on one end of the sellotape as I'm trying to cut the other end to get into it. But here we go. So let me move my little hand. I'll have to do an introduction to my new hand. Okay. So it says, congratulations, I hope you like these goodies and thank you for being part of this wonderful journey. Don't forget to give the chicken a squeeze. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. Ooh, we got some pretty shredded paper. I'm going to have to go straight in for the chicken. I'm going to have to. Let's have a go. Ready?
Hello, my beautiful chicken. I hope you're tickety-boo today. Thank you so much for being a subscriber to my channel. I appreciate you. Have a wonderful day. And like I always say, if you can't be good, be careful. Bye.
Oh, Lou, I love you, honestly. Oh, so I will tag her channel in the description box and title. Go and see her, honestly. She's just amazing. And that laugh, it's... You know, like, there's just some people that have these laughs and you just can't help but laugh along with them, no matter what kind of day you're having. So definitely. And everybody who wins a giveaway gets a little chick because we're all the chickens. And I'm so happy I got the first one. Oh, Lou. Oh, look at these. Oh, aren't they cute? Nail files, we got kitties. Oh, it's like my little Lucky. Although I don't think he'd be happy if I put a pink bow in his head. Oh, they're so cute. So cute. I know my daughter's going to spot those a mile off. Cuticle pushes. Always come in handy. You know, since becoming a nail tech, there is not a package I can't unpack because there's always cuticle pushers or orange sticks or something around. I've even filled holes in walls with white acrylic before now and fixed things with nail glue. There's all, you know, it's like a toolbox of multi-trade. So keep collecting all the nail stuff, guys. There's your reasoning for it. Thank you. Oh, striping tape. I've just got some, not these ones though. I've started getting some striping tape again because I used to use it and I don't know why I stopped. But they're perfect for people. Well, not people, but just if you just need that little something, and instead of drawing that line, but you can get so much more effect. And that one's lovely with all the different colours on, and they're honestly the fab. I've hauled with it. I've got a Temu video that's going up and it's got the holders for striping tape in there. Oh, we love me a bit of glitter. It's a gorgeous pink glitter that is perfect for sugar in there, which I love to do. And God, it feels like there's loads in there. I'm not going to open it because I will end up with glitter everywhere. I'm right in the middle of sorting my... See, everyone's got little studio rooms. I've got a corner in my dining room. So I'm trying to get it all sorted and lovely. Thank you. I don't want to make more of a mess. Controlled leveling, opaque petal pink. Ooh, what's that? Ooh, that sounds interesting. Ooh. Excuse me. Sounds like a nice, should we open it? Where's my little, see, I've moved things. I'm sure I do this just to test myself. Oh, would that pull up? Oh, here we go. Oh, it's quite thick, isn't it? It's a nice paint now. I like that. So I'll give that a practice and see what we can do with that. Oh, little snowflakes. It's going to come quickly, isn't it? Time for the winter nails, but look at the little colour shift on those. Aren't they pretty? Oh, little flowers as well. I love putting dried flowers. I've got some mixing gel. Makes it a lot easier. So you can put them on, and obviously the gel soaks into the petals so they sit better and stick better. So I'll definitely be using those, especially with spring here. More foils, yes. Oh goodness me, there's loads in here. Oh, I see butterflies. I see butterflies. Oh, that one's pretty, isn't it? That one's really pretty. That's perfect for spring. Oh God. Here we go. This is where they're all going to end up stuck to me. Oh yeah. I love butterflies. They're lovely. With details on them as well. They'll look fab, won't they? Onto these. Ooh, we've got Christmas ones. I'm slowly building my Christmas stickers, and I've got my first Christmas stamping plate the other day. Oh God, foils, man, foils. I've got a little folder to put them in. That one's pretty as well. I like that one. That'll be a spring design one. Do you know what? I might not get these ones out as well, because oh, look at that one. That's so pretty with the daisies. You stay in there, because I've got a feeling these are going to be an absolute nightmare to put away, aren't they? I love. Oh, gonna have to do some leopard print, and oh, that's still summer beachy type theme, and that's perfect for spring as well. Right, I'm just gonna, because they're just pinging up everywhere, static. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh, look at those. They're like iridescent. All the little shapes. You've got flowers, stars, moons, hearts. Oh, they're so pretty. Oh, there's different sizes in each one as well. Oh, I love those. I've got some acrylic to try. Obviously, my acrylic that I used when I was working on clients was the Kirsty Meakin one. My friend's taking over that. She's qualified nail tech now, so she's going to start working on clients. So she's going to take over the Kirsty Meakin brand. But I've thought to myself, you know, just for, obviously Kirsty Meakin brand's a lot more expensive. But for the channel, I'm going to try some different brands. Letters, love that. Always need some letters. Oh, and a little silicone tool as well, thank you. Be for me 3D carving. I'm really getting into me 3D carving now. I found a really nice solid gel to use. Aren't they pretty? Yeah, I think it's definitely all about the product that you use. Oh, I love these. All little different coloured. Oh, look how, oh, there's purple and green. Those two colours really go well together. Oh, I love those as well. Perfect for putting little accents on the nails, aren't they? Are they water decals or stickers? We'll have a look later. Oh, here we go. Christmas. Oh, it's not Christmas. Easter. I thought it was Christmas because of the turkey. But though, Easter. This will be, obviously Easter's coming up. I haven't got Easter plates. I've got some bunnies, I think. I haven't got Easter, so yeah. And I love Mow Your London stamping plates. They are unreal. I kind of went a bit nuts with the sale. Oh, look. The Jetsons. Oh, you can't go wrong with their stamping polishes either. Be cool, be kind. Oh, look at that. Oh, I always forget these ones. You have to take the... Oh, look at the shimmer on there. And that's a stamping polish. Obviously, you can paint your nails with it. Oh, I love the smell of them, you know. Am I weird? And the Jetsons stamp and scraper. I do have a Jetsons one. I'll show you it. But this will go into my drawer because you can never have too many. And these stampers, I find them really handy. Sometimes I reach for these ones more than the round ones. So in there you get the little Jetson stamper with the Mow Your London, and you get a little mini scraping card with it with the Jetsons on. Aren't they, boss? Love them. So yeah, thank you for that. That will definitely, because one of my, sorry, I've just given you a knock. One of my stampers, I've pressed too hard on my nail and I've popped it. I can't remember if it's the Jetsons one. There's one of them anyway. But yeah, so that will go in me stamping drawer. Ooh, Born Pretty. Oh, this is a different box, isn't it? I've never seen this box or bottle before. Just a number 18. Oh, it's a nice sort of bricky reddy brown. That's nice. Born Pretty Pro. Oh, thank you. Never seen that bottle before. I love that colour though. And I like these boxes. A bit fancy pants. Go on in. Oh, we've got another stamping plate. Oh, the Doodles ones. Oh, these are fab. I've got one of the Doodles ones and it's got all the different like circles on, but I just love them because look at all the different... What's that? Doodles 04. Amazing, thank you. Oh, couture stickers. Sort of like the cracked marble effect with the... I suppose they'd go with that, wouldn't they? Sort of work. A willow. I see sparkles. Where did I put my little dishes? Where are you? Oh, look at these. See, I've got these ones in silver. I didn't have them in gold, so that's amazing. They're lovely. I love these things. I've always say I love like these sort of detailed charms because you just have that on the nail and nothing else, but it looks so... Yeah, a bit closer. But they look so full and complete, if that makes sense. Gorgeous. I don't have many gold really either. Honestly, I always seem to go for silver. What are these? Oh, print foil. Oh, I've never seen these before. Where do you find all your stuff, Lou? We're definitely going to watch it, Lou's channel because she's just so clever. Oh, look at that. So you get the stickers and then the foil. Never ever seen anything like that before. Thank you. Yeah, she'll find a way of getting pretty much anything on a nail. And I love that. And she's the destroyer of practice hands too. Oh, look at those. Aren't they pretty? bubbly blue. Nice little cluster. They're like those new mocha effect. What's everyone's going bonkers about at the moment? Isn't that just opal effect? Mocha? I don't know. I don't understand. Oh, got more striping tape. Purple, yes. Lou is a fan of purple too. And the pansy party nail stickers. They're cute, aren't they? My front garden used to be full of pansies, but this year I don't know, you know when you haven't got the, oh, look at that. Those go together. Ooh. And then with the purple striping tape as well, that's gorgeous. Oh, it's going to last me ages, that as well. And then a cute little mini UV LED lamp. Oh, these, I love these. Oh, so it's a cute little lamp, little flash cure lamp. Come on. How cute's that? That'll be handy, just having that set up to do the flash curing rather than trying to hunt and find my handheld one, which I lose and put down everywhere. So you got the little lamp, and then you've got the little cable. It's a good length cable as well. Oh yeah, so I'm just going to have that, and then whenever I need to flash cure, just put underneath, press the button, and then it can be put away as well. Oh, that's fantastic. Oh, goodness me, Lou, thank you so much. And congratulations on hitting your target. And I love everything. And I am going to be having some fun. Can't wait to get stamping as well. Got loads of new stickers and glitters and everything like that. I've never seen that. I love that. Am I the only one that's never seen that? Can someone help me? But yeah, absolutely love it, and it's amazing. Thank you so much. And everybody definitely go and watch her channel. She's just incredible, and this is the best thing in the world.
Hello, my beautiful chicken. I hope you're ticking today. Thank you so much for being a subscriber to my channel. I appreciate you. Have a wonderful day. And like I always say, if you can't be good, be careful. Bye.
Isn't that just amazing? Oh, Lou, you are an incredible lady, you know. Pop them in there. And I think you're amazing. Like I say, you cheer me up no end. You don't understand. And I appreciate everything that you do, because it takes a lot for people to, I mean, I'm new to YouTube, and you know, it's terrifying. I'll be honest, it's terrifying. And it's because of people like Lou that interact with you, or you know, just acknowledge you when you are viewing their channels and things like that. It makes a hell of a difference, and it makes life a lot better. So definitely go to check out her channel. She is fantastic. And Lou, thank you so much. Love you to pieces, and continue to do the amazing things that you do. You're a superstar. So thank you, everyone. Bye bye.